it all day here, man. Oh my gosh, the noise here. But somehow, some way, I can hear the call of a four-leaf clover. You believe that? Of course you do. I see it somewhere. I hear it. You hear it? No, that's a hammer. That's a hammer. That's not a four-leaf clover. Keep listening. Keep listening. I swear it's around here somewhere. You hear that? I swear it's here somewhere. I'll be dead gone. You see that? I thought I heard you a holler. Do it all day to the rescue. Come on, focus in on that. No. There you go. Thank you. Later.